Hey guys, it's Yorkshire Pyro, and got another unboxing of fireworks. No fucking about. Get straight into it. Sorry I'm not talking much. This my mum's in the next room. She'll think I'm a weirdo. I'm sat here talking to me son. Right, this time I've got the flash on so you can see. I think we're in. Almost. Not far off it. We'll get in it eventually. If I can work this knife properly. Fucking hell. It's taken me an hour to get into the bloody box. Okay, I think we're in. Right then. Oh, I got the box upside down. Okay, I'm back. Right, so let's have a look at what I've got. Funky, true. Well, do you know what? To save myself from getting embarrassed, I'm not even going to pronounce that. You know, I've got one packet. In fact, let's do a little thing. So it has. Hang on. 8 grams of powder per box. Let's have a look inside. These are pretty much just standard meters. That's what they're labelled as. And the guy that I know will get them from. Let's get past this bubble wrap. Okay, sorry if it cuts. Again, I'm recording it on Snapchat because my camera app has shit audio. I don't know why, but yeah, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of those. I have, again, not going to pronounce them, but they are supposed to be very, very, very loud. To try and show you what they look like. They don't look really big, but apparently they're supposed to be. So this is 3 grams of powder, if I can show the camera. 3 grams of powder. How many grams per packet? 30 grams per packet. And I've got 4 packets of for them. So that's not too bad. So I've got 4 packets each. And then next we have Explorer 5. I had these not too long ago. I think they're absolutely absolute crazy bangers, these. I've got 8 packets of them, and then they threw in the people that I buy from also threw in Explorer 4. So yeah, right. So let's have a look at these. Explorer 4, Explorer 5, I mean. Per packet, Well, this whole pack has 22.5 grams of powder. And if you've had these before, you know how loud they are. Like, proper fucking loud. And I got 9 packets of them, and I think at the time they cost me about £1 a packet, probably less. And they also threw in Exploder 4. But these just look absolutely crazy. 54 grams of powder, these. And made by Tropic, along with those. You know, so... Yeah guys, this has been a little unboxing. Sorry that I can't really tell you where I got them from. It's a contact that I know. And, you know, to find fireworks like this, it's getting rare and more rarer to find bangers and shit, so, you know, you got to try and keep it low key. But I can link some sites in the description, which I've not personally ordered from, but they do UK delivery. So, I mean, if you want to take the risk and order from there, you can still get bangers, but I'll just leave that in the description. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. Yeah. Peace guys.